Namaste and welcome to Shilparam Yoga. In today's times, technology is at our fingertips. So is our inner technology at our fingertips. Health at our fingertips with Mudra Magic. So what are mudras? Mudras basically are known as gestures. There are hasta, that is hand mudras, and full body mudras. Full body mudras look very similar to asanas, but they have immediate impact on the mind. They affect the mind quickly, faster than asanas. The hand gestures or hasta mudras also affect the mind immediately, just like you have a remote in your hand and you decide, okay, now I want to change the channel, I want to increase the volume, I want to lower it, I want to switch off. Okay. So everything is at your fingertips. So mudras also are just the touching or gently manipulating your fingers and hands into different positions, into different gestures. There are mudras in dance also. It is there in Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni, but we are going to focus on Yoga Mudras and Hasta Mudras alone in this particular video. Now, according to Yoga and Ayurveda, the whole universe as well as our body is made up of 5 elements. These 5 are Agni or fire, air or Vayu, ether or Akash, Prithvi or earth, and Jala or water. If there is imbalance in these 5 elements, that can lead to a lot of health issues. So the whole idea of using mudra is to try and bring that balance so that it helps us at mental level and physical level, and ultimately at spiritual level. In this video, 8 Hasta Mudras have been selected out of hundreds of Hasta Mudras on the basis of ease with which they can be performed, as well as their vast potential to cure and control various diseases. And this science is based on activation of our nerve endings here, so that the correct signals reach the brain, and in turn the body can be, as well as the mind, can be taken care of. Now we are going to see the first 4 mudras, which can be done by folding one finger and gently touching it to the thumb tip. Here the fingers are the variables and the thumb is the constant, and you are just going to touch gently, turn by turn, the fingertips to the thumb. Let's start. Gyan Mudra. Gyan means knowledge. This mudra is performed by touching your index fingertip to the thumb tip while keeping the other 3 fingers straight. As the name suggests, this mudra is meant to increase your ability to gain knowledge. It improves concentration and sharpens memory. Try holding this mudra while meditating for insight into your life or a specific issue. Akash Mudra. Akash stands for ether, the vast space surrounding all creation. This mudra is performed by touching your middle fingertip to the thumb tip, while the other fingers remain straight. Akash Mudra creates the healing space within the body by facilitating the flushing of toxins. It provides comfort in conditions like sinusitis, migraine, ear congestions. This mudra is believed to be uniting the inner space with the universal space, the Atma with Paramatma. Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi stands for earth element. This mudra is performed by touching your ring fingertip to the thumb tip, while the other fingers are to be kept straight. It improves blood circulation throughout the body, enhances patience and tolerance, increases concentration while meditating. It reduces weakness, exhaustion, and dullness of mind. Varun Mudra. 70% of the human body is made up of water. Varun. This mudra is performed by touching your little fingertip to the thumb tip while keeping the other three fingers straight. Varun Mudra balances the water content in the body. It activates fluid circulation within the body, keeping it moisturized always. It cures skin issues like dryness, certain skin diseases, and infections. The occurrence of cramps and stiffness can be highly diminished by the practice of this mudra. Now the remaining 4 mudras will be done by folding one finger at a time and placing it on the thumb pad and placing the thumb over the bent finger between the 2 knuckles, and remember to press it gently. Also, the fingers which are not being used should be kept straight. So turn by turn, first index finger, then the middle finger, then the ring finger, and finally the little finger. Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra helps regulate Vata related issues. At first glance, this mudra may seem very similar to the Gyan Mudra. The difference is the Vayu has you connect the thumb to the knuckle or hump of the index finger as opposed to the fingertip in Gyan Mudra. Press down thumb on the index finger to your level of comfort. Do not strain. Vayu Mudra balances the air element within the body. It helps release excess wind from stomach and body, thereby reducing rheumatic and chest pain. Painful sensation in the joints of hands and feet are cured. It helps in Parkinson's problem too. Shunya Mudra. Shunya means zero, void, emptiness. Perform this mudra by bending your middle finger to the base of your thumb so that your thumb touches the middle finger's knuckle. Stretch your other 3 fingers straight without stressing the hand. Practicing this mudra with full concentration helps relieving ear ailments like pain in the ears, impaired hearing, loss of hearing due to old age or some diseases. It helps in diabetes, high blood pressure, and prevents issues like motion sickness and vertigo, as these are mainly caused by inflammation in the inner ear. Surya Mudra. Surya means sun. Perform this mudra by bending your ring finger to the base of your thumb so that your thumb touches the ring finger's knuckle. Press it gently over there. Stretch your other fingers. This mudra increases the fire element and improves metabolism and digestion. It is also useful in reducing heaviness in the body and to help ward off colds, since it increases core body temperature. It controls high cholesterol levels and boosts thyroid gland activation. Please avoid this mudra if you are suffering from acidity or indigestion. Jalodar Nashak Mudra. Jal means water, Udar means stomach, Nashak means removal. So it means balancing of excess water in the body. Perform this mudra by bending your little finger to the base of your thumb so that your thumb touches the little finger's knuckle. Press it gently and stretch the remaining fingers. This mudra removes extra water from any part of the body that is disturbing the metabolism. It is beneficial in reducing excessive salivation, running nose, teary eyes, excessive urination, excessive menstrual flow, and diarrhea. It is very effective in reducing swelling in any part of the body, including the face. See, it's as simple as that. So practice the mudras early in the morning, seated in cross-legged position or Vajrasan, Padmasan, whatever you are comfortable with. In case you need, sit on a chair and practice it. Or you can practice it even while lying down or standing and walking. The ideal time is morning, but whenever convenient for you, during the day also is fine, but not immediately after the meals. And remember to go gradually. So start with 10 minutes of practice. Very gently. Be gentle with yourself, with your fingers, and go to 40 minutes. But this has to be gradual and regular practice. Remember that. That is the key in yoga. Gradual and regular. Now Diwali is just around the corner. So bonus to banta hai. So we're going to learn one more mudra, which is known as Mukula or Saman mudra. Mukul means a bud. When you join the 5 fingertips like this, it does look like a bud. Okay. Or Saman, because all the 5 elements which are represented by these fingers are activated equally. Saman. See you very soon in my next video, that is part 2 of Hasta Mudras. Till then, Namaste.